Hi everyone, in this video I would like to introduce 3 different ways that can help your students practice spelling. So let's start with the first one. The first idea that I would like to introduce is to help your students study and practice spelling words by asking them first to look at the word. In this case, I chose the word family, and then they have to say it. And then they have to name the letters. Family, F-A-M-I-L-Y. And then they simply cover the word, and then they have to write it, and then they can remove their hands or remove any item that they chose to cover the word with, and simply check that they spelled it correctly. Okay, another idea that I would like to introduce here is called raining words. In this activity, you simply write the word that you want your students to practice in the middle of a cloud, and then students practice spelling the words, writing the words down just like raindrops, and it gets them practicing and remembering the way to write the words that they need to study. The third activity that I would like to introduce is fun and challenging for students, because students love challenges, and it's called minute spelling. All you have to do is simply bring a timer to class and just simply set it on 1 minute, and then ask the students to write down the words to spell the same word again and again, and challenge them that they have 1 minute to simply write the same word as many times as they can. You can do it in pairs, you can do it with a group, or you can do it individually with each and every student, just to get them writing and memorizing the way to spell a certain word. I hope that the ideas that I presented here are helpful to you and to your students. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.